Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well. Actually, I have a question from Iman. She wanted to ask that, like, she has prepared a plan in AutoCAD. Basically, the group of students that you are working, you prepared this plan, and now you want to do the area calculations. How to do it in GIS in one click. So basically, as I have already told you about georeferencing, and also I have recorded a video about how you georeference an image in GIS. But now the question is different. Now we have a map which is prepared in AutoCAD, and how we can do calculations on that map. So, for example, area calculations, road segment calculations, anything. So now the problem is that whenever you trace or digitize any map in AutoCAD, you use an image. So the base image, based upon that base image, you do all the calculations. Sorry, all the tracing and all the digitization. But the base map that is there in AutoCAD, it is not 100% similar, or uh, it is taken at the exactly at the same angle from the satellite when we see the same area in Google Earth. Just to simplify, for example, if you have a site, you open that site in Google Earth, you see satellite images taken from a specific angle, and if you want to trace a map on that image, sometimes like there are two options. You can save the image from Google Earth, you can take it into GIS, and after taking that image into GIS, you digitize it or you trace it and you prepare a map. This is one way. The other way is that you through geolocation in AutoCAD, you open the image and then you trace the map. But the problem is that these two images, one from Google Earth and one from AutoCAD, sometimes are not exactly the same. Sometimes from the angle that satellite is taking the image could be different in uh, two different settings. For example, in CAD and in CAD's geolocation, and all the other one is the Google Earth Pro. So when you digitize or trace a map in AutoCAD and you take that map into GIS for the georeferencing purpose, it happens that this map doesn't fit properly on the image because of the source of the images could like in both softwares could be different. So that's why you face this problem. But for the area calculations, we can do it without georeferencing, because the map from uh, Google Earth and the map from AutoCAD's geolocation are both the satellite images, and they have the same units, that is meters. So we can do it. I will show you how to do it. So first, for example, this is the site map that Iman sent me. It is taking some time. So I hope Bandicam is recording. Yes, Bandicam is recording. So this is actually the your site plan. Now I'm just interested. For example, I'm just showing it for the learning purpose. So I'm switching off all the other layers, and I am just interested in the layer of buildings, for example. So I'm just interested in the area calculations of these buildings. So what I will do, just I wanted to show you that these are the buildings in your area. So I will just close this file. Now I will open GIS. It takes some time, sorry. So now, just I wanted to show you one more thing in our CAD file. As this map is in AutoCAD is traced from geolocation in AutoCAD, so it means that it is all already adjusted to the scale of the earth. When you trace a map from geolocation, how you can see it, for example, here you see UTM zone 14 north. So basically, as I told you, that Muscat lies in 40 and 41 north in UTM zones. So this map is traced from here. If I put on the map, you can see, like, so it is already adjusted on the scale of the earth from here. So just to do the area calculations in one click, it is very simple. So you see, it is already adjusted on the scale of the earth, and from here we can see that it's UTM zone. So you have opened the GIS. You will simply add your uh, CAD drawing from here. This is the drawing is there on my desktop. So okay, so here I can see that the drawing is there. So I will click here on the in the table of contents on the plus sign. I will switch off all other layers except polyline. So I will take just polyline. Now what I will do, I will click on the polyline and I will go to data and I will export data. Basically now I want to convert this polyline shape drawing into a shape file. So here, for example, I TOD project polylines. I will name this, and then you see here is a shape file. So I'm converting this into a shape file. So I will click OK. I will click OK. So the software is asking me to add your shapefile here. Yes, I want to this shapefile to be added here. Now I can see that this shapefile is added here, the line shapefile. So I will switch this one off, switch this one off. So this is the separate shapefile that is there in the software now. So I will even remove the CAD drawing. Now I have a shapefile here. Now I am interested in area calculations for my plots and for my buildings. So what I can do is that I will right click on and I will add an attribute table, open attribute table, and now I can add field. But the problem is that why I cannot do it now, because this is these are the polylines. Like if I select it, like they are selected line by line also, and sometimes they are not selected as plots. So first I need to convert all everything into polygons. So I will go to uh, art toolbox,